Today new topic, structure of human sperm. In last class we discussed about the gametogenesis, that is spermatogenesis, oogenesis. Now it is the shape of the sperm. Right. The sperm is also called as spermatozoa. Now before going to the structure, what is sperm? Microscopic haploid male gamete. Microscopic haploid male gamete is called as sperm. Okay. What is the level? If you take the brain, so for example, brain, organ level, tongue, organ level, eye, organ level, sperm, cell. It is equal to one cell, but it is a normal cell. It is a nucleus. This inside the nucleus, some genetical material is there, chromosome. Normal cell is a diploid, but the sperm is a cell, is a haploid cell. Yes, it is a cell level. Hence, what we observe in normal cell, this is also containing, sperm is also containing same cell organelles, but only difference between normal cell and sperm. The normal cell genetical material is a two-sex diploid, it is a haploid. Some modification is there. This modification which is helps for motility. Right. It is a non-motile normal diploid cell. It is motile haploid cell. Haploid cell is a gamete. Hence it is called as sperm. Now come to this. Right. Now, this sperm is containing four parts. Head, neck, middle piece, tail. Right. This is the head. Now this is narrow depression part neck. It is the middle piece. Tail. This is the major four parts. The anterior part of the sperm is called as head. This head contains two parts. Just listen. Head is a part of the sperm. Is it? Okay. Head containing two parts. Nucleus, acrosome. Namely two major parts in the head. Nucleus, and acrosome. The nucleus is containing parental, that is especially father, haploid genetical material. It is the nucleus containing genetical material. The genetical material belongs to who? Father. Maternal, paternal. Right. Now, paternal haploid genetical material is present in nucleus. This is the above nucleus. Above the nucleus, in the head, inside the head, above the nucleus, a cap-like structure is there. That is acrosome. Right. What is acrosome? Generally, somebody is first time listening this word acrosome. Right. If you take the normal cell, right, nucleus, some cell organelles, Golgi complex. This Golgi complex is undergoes modification, is called as acrosome. Modified Golgi complex in the sperm. Is called as acrosome. This acrosome contains enzyme. That enzyme is called hyaluronidase. is enzyme, which is also called as spermolysin. The spermolysin is also called as hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase is present in acrosome. Acrosome is present in the head above the right. What is the meaning of this enzyme? What is the need of this enzyme? Right, we can discuss at the time of fertilization. Now come to the, what is the second one? Neck. Below the head, narrow part is called as neck. This neck contains proximal centriole and distal centriole. Right. Now it is a normal cell. You know, centrioles, which is helps in cell division, spindle formation. Good. The same centrioles is present in the neck, proximal and distal. What is the function of proximal centriole? Okay, I can say later at the time of fertilization. Now what is this? Distal centriole. This distal centriole form a long filamentous structure which is passed through middle piece and tail and come to the outside at the end of tail. This is called as axone. Axone act as a central axis to the sperm. Now this axone is derived from distal centriole, passes through middle piece, tail and come to the outside at the end. Now this is the major part, is act as a skeleton to the sperm, which is helps in vibration. It is undergoes vibration. This vibration causes movement of tail. The movement of tail causes locomotion. Now once again, what is this? Axone, derived from distal centriole, which is passes through middle piece and this is undergoes vibration. The vibration of axone causes movement of tail. The movement of tail causes locomotion. All these require energy. Hence, mitochondria. Mitochondria is present in middle piece. There is no mitochondria in the neck and head and the tail. Right? This is the mitochondria. The mitochondria. What is the second third portion? Middle piece. The middle piece containing mitochondria and cytoplasm. The last one is tail. Now this is the simple structure of the total place, all parts, head to neck to middle piece is covered by the plasma membrane. Animal cell, there is no cell wall, only plasma membrane is there. Right, now this is the labeling and parts. Now come to this. Now this numerical data. This numerical data is very important for competitive exams that may be CT and NEET. Generally, theory exams they cannot ask. Right. But anyway, keep in your mind. Right. Now, ejaculation. In single ejaculation, what is ejaculation? Right. Insemination. What is insemination? The process of releasing of the semen into female body through copulation. Right. Copulation. Which is also called as coitus. Same meaning. Copulation is English word. Coitus is skeleton. What is the copulation? A temporary attachment between male and female. Right. Without copulation, there is no ejaculation. Ejaculation is nothing, insemination. What is insemination? Insemination. The process of releasing of the semen in female body through penis is called as insemination. In single insemination or in single ejaculation, the male person release semen 3 to 4 ml of quantity. This is the quantity of semen in single ejaculation. This quantity containing 200 to 300 millions of sperm. But only one sperm undergoes fertilization. The remaining all are waste. Right now, 60% among this number, 200 to 300 millions in this 200 to 300 millions, at least 60% normal shape and size. Right. And 40% vigorous motility, vigorous motility. Now you know, right, it is a fallopian tube, it is uterus, cervix, vagina. Now, right. Copulation, fertilization. The fertilization is a place, female body. In female body, fallopian tube. Right. The appendix is introduced into the vagina. That means the semen is present in vagina. Now, the semen which is present in vagina, it must reach the fallopian tube for fertilization. That means, right, vagina, cervix, uterus, and fallopian tube. Now, right, the sperm must show the motility for this crossing and finally reach the fallopian for fertilization. That means, right, motility is the most important factor. Motility is important factor for fertilization. If the sperm does not show the motility, they remains in vagina. The place of fertilization is fallopian tube. They cannot. Fertilization is occurred. Due to this, the sperm must show the motility in female body. For this motility, at least 40% show the vigorous motility. Now this is the numerical data. Keep in your mind. Thank you. Follow this. The next topic, fertilization in implantation. Fertilization in implantation. It is somewhat difficult. Be concentrated. Listen carefully. Fertilization. The process of union of male and female gametes to form the diploid zygote. This is the definition of fertilization. The process of fusion of applied male and female gametes to form the diploid zygote is called as fertilization. Now what is this implantation? Right. Later I will say. Just listen. Right. The fertilization, according to second year, you have some knowledge, animal kingdom. Right. The fertilization is in two types. Good. Based on the location. If it is takes place outside the body, that's not. If it is occurs in female body, internal, based on larva. Guys, if the larval formation occur during development, embryonic development, direct, right. If it is larval formation occur indirect, does not occur direct. Fertilization, external, internal. So keep in your mind. Now our fertilization is internal in female body. Okay. In female body, male, fallopian tube. But in fallopian tube, again it is male. Now you know this is the three parts. Infundibulum, ampulla, isthmus. Now it is the junction. Ampullary isthmic junction. It is exact place of fertilization. Once again, keep in our mind, what is the location of fertilization in female reproductive system? If you given the fallopian tube, it will be not given the marks. In the fallopian tube, again specific place there. The fallopian tube, it is entire fallopian tube. Infundibulum is also fallopian tube. The infundibulum is not having any suitable condition. It is the junction between ampulla and isthmus. Hence, this is called as ampullary isthmic junction. It is the exact location for fertilization. Right. One of the most important thing, right? All copulations does not leads fertilization. Now, this is the most important concept for competitive exams. All copulation does not lead to the fertilization. Suppose, now for understanding this concept, you know the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle knowledge is the most required for this concept. Menstrual cycle. What is the total duration? 29 9 days. Okay. Suppose a girl or a woman or sister or mother, whatever it may be, a woman, right, 7th day of menstrual cycle or 9th day. Just think it. That woman, she is a married woman. Now is today her menstrual cycle is 9th day. Menstrual cycle is 9th day. At this particular day, the egg is presenting ovary in developing stage, in secondary oocyte or primary oocyte. It is not present in fallopian. So on which day? 9th day of menstrual cycle, where the egg is there? Ovary. Still it is going to developing, not is developed. Okay. In this day, 9th day of menstrual cycle, suppose, she undergoes copulation with her partner, husband. So the sperm semen will be released in ovary. Then it is go to the alveolar change. The sperm available, but egg is not available. Good, right? The sperm can survive in female body 24 to 48 hours, not days. Hours. That may be roughly 1 hour, 1 day to 2 days. Right. 1 day it can wait for 1 day, it can wait for 10. If egg is not reached to alveolar junction, all sperms will be degenerated. That means copulation is occurring. On which day? 9th day. Why fertilization does not occur? There is no egg availability. That means, right, this is the place, alveolar junction. From this side, sperm, from this side, egg. The simultaneously, egg and sperm reach the alveolar junction simultaneously. That is maybe 14, maybe 15, maybe 16. This is the 3 days. If the copulation is occurred, fertilization is possible. Suppose, right, your mother or your sister, suppose 22 days. Today is a 22 day of menstrual cycle. Her menstrual cycle today is 22 days. The egg is present. In uterus. In this day, the father is undergoes copulation with the mother. The sperm may be there. Egg is also there, but there is no suitable condition in uterus. There is no fertilization. This is the main condition, right? A specific place that is alveolar junction, and a simultaneously reaching egg and sperm. This is the 2 important conditions leads to all copulation does not lead to the fertilization. This is about the right now. Right now. Okay. Now the egg is ovulation is occurring. After ovulation, the egg is passing through fallopian tube. That may be 14th day or 15th day or 16th day of menstrual cycle. Right. In these 3 days, the egg is passing. Good. Fortunately, right, on these 3 days continuously, the husband is undergoes copulation, the sperm is also undergoing. Now the fertilization is. But before fertilization, what is possible here? Egg. This is the egg. Actually, it is not egg. No, you know. Right. Oogonium, which is undergoes feeding and form the primary oocyte, which is undergoes meiosis 1, unequal, and one is small, one is a large. It is polar body. It is called as secondary oocyte. At this stage, ovulation is happening. Ovulation. That means, right. Who is passing in fallopian tube? Generally, we can say egg, but it is not egg. It is the pre-egg stage. That is secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. That means secondary oocyte is passing in fallopian tube. That means the secondary oocyte is again undergoes meiosis 2 and form egg. Now the meiosis 2 is occurring in fallopian tube. Meiosis 1 is occurring in ovary. Ovary in follicle. Meiosis 1. Where it is occur? Ovary. Meiosis 2 is occur. That means at the time of ovulation, egg is releases and passes into fallopian tube as secondary oocyte, not egg. Not egg. It is a secondary oocyte. Now this is a secondary oocyte. Now this is a secondary oocyte. Right. Nucleus of secondary oocyte. Cytoplasm, plasma membrane. This is white. But this is yellow color. Zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. Right. Pink cellular layers. Corona radiata. That means secondary oocyte is covered by the two membranes. This is called as egg membranes. Name the two egg membranes. Inner zona pellucida, outer corona radiata. It is a non-cellular, it is a cellular. Which is a non-cellular? Zona pellucida is a non-cellular. Non-cellular. Corona radiata is a cellular and loosely arranged with intercellular spaces. Now this is the structure, internal external. This secondary oocyte with zona pellucida and corona radiata with two membranes. This secondary oocyte is passing in fallopian tube. When it is reached after the stomach junction, the sperm may be available. Okay. Now fertilization is happening. Now the fertilization takes place in 3 steps. Acrosomal reaction, meiosis to cortical reaction. The fertilization is not easy. It is very complex. It is also called as syngamy. Fertilization is also called as syngamy. This syngamy is occurring 3 steps. What is this acrosomal reaction? See. Now this is the sperms. Some thousands of sperms is moving towards egg. Be careful. The first sperm who are passes through. Now my hand is present in between cells. Like the sperm. This is the first sperm. Penetrate through intercellular spaces of corona radiata and touch the zona pellucida. Now it is a zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. Right? Who? Head. Right, just listen. Now, it is a secondary oocyte. Now, it is a zona pellucida. Right? Now, this is the cells of corona radiata. Now, it is the first sperm. See, enlarging. I am enlarging. First sperm. Touch it. Hit the zona pellucida. Now, egg is time. Now, what is this? Acrosome. Now, what is this? Nucleus. Now, which part? Head. Among head, tip of head. Tip of head, what is this? Plasma membrane. Now this is the plasma membrane. Tip of the head, plasma membrane of tip of the head touching zona. Hence, is undergoes invagination. Who? Plasma membrane. Due to hitting. Right. Then invagination. And touching. What is this? Acrosome. Then acrosome will be rupture. Already I told you this acrosome containing enzyme. Due to the rupture of Due to the rupture of acrosome, the enzymes works on plasma membrane. The plasma membrane dissolve. See, now this enzyme is spray on the zona pellucida. The zona pellucida becomes soft. In this place only soft. The remaining zona pellucida normal. You can't say hard and soft. Here why it is soft? Due to spraying of enzyme which is present in acrosome. Now this is called as acrosomal reaction. This is called as acrosomal reaction. The fertilization starts with acrosome. Actually, acrosomal reaction, meiosis 2, particle reaction. These three almost simultaneous. Right. Now, once again. Right. Now, it is secondary oocyte. Is it? Right. Now it is a nucleus. It is a Golgi complex. Now it is a sperm. Right. Now what is this? Zona pellucida. Right. Only one of the sperm who first touched zona pellucida, its plasma membrane is undergoes invagination. Plasma membrane is invagination. This invaginated plasma membrane touched the internal Golgi complex, that is acrosome. So the acrosome will be break down, the enzymes will be releases. This enzyme first dissolve the plasma membrane and spray on the zona pellucida. Now this zona pellucida becomes soft. The remaining zona pellucida is remain. Now the enzyme of acrosome is works on zona pellucida at particular point but not entire place. Okay. Now this zona pellucida becomes soft. Now this is total reaction is called as acrosomal reaction. The next one. When sperm, head of the sperm touch the what is this layer? Zona pellucida. Zona pellucida is continue to plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is belongs to whom? Cell. Is it? That means when zona pellucida, what is this layer? Zona pellucida. What is this sperm? When the sperm touch the zona pellucida, this zona pellucida is connection to internal to whom? Secondary oocyte. That means the touching causes stimulation. To whom? Secondary oocyte. Now the secondary oocyte undergoes meiosis 2. Now the secondary oocyte is undergoes meiosis 2, unequal and form egg and second pollen. That means, right, if the fertilization does not occur, secondary oocyte remains as secondary oocyte, meiosis does not occur. Is it? That means bleeding, menstrual cycle, bleeding, egg is degenerated. That egg is not egg, it is secondary oocyte. Because fertilization. If the fertilization, during fertilization only, meiosis to occur. During fertilization only meiosis occur. That is, the first sperm who touched the zona pellucida, the touching causes stimulation to the secondary oocyte and undergoes meiosis. Now, within the fraction of second, it is become egg. This egg, now it is egg. Meiosis after meiosis, it is egg. Now this is egg. Now, what is this cytoplasm? It is the nucleus of. Okay. Right. Now it is the egg. Meiosis 2 is completed. Now it is egg. Alright. It is the cytoplasm. It is the nucleus. Now be careful. Some granules is there in the cytoplasm peripherally. This is called as cortical granules. Now cortical granules is present in the cytoplasm of egg towards periphery, not circle. Good. Now see, hitting, touching of egg. 3 steps I need. When first sperm touches the zona pellucida, right, it will undergo insemination, acrosomal reaction, meiosis 2. Now what is this? Cortical granule. This cortical granules is diffused into zona pellucida. After meiosis or during meiosis. What is this? Cortical granules. Where they are present? In the cytoplasm of egg. Now this cortical granules is the diffusers moves into zona pellucida. When the cortical granules is the diffusers into zona pellucida, the zona pellucida become hard, very tough. That prevent the polysperm. Right? It is already one sperm is touched. Right. Now another sperm may come in this way. But this sperm cannot move to forward because what is cortical granule? The cortical granules is deposited in zona pellucida. Then zona pellucida become hard. This is called as cortical granule. What is the benefit? What is the concept of cortical reaction? Cortical reaction occur in zona pellucida. It prevents the polyspermy. Right? If cortical granules is not deposited in zona pellucida, the zona pellucida became normal, which can allow the next second sperm, third sperm. But fertilization is not occur. The fertilization is only with one sperm, with one egg. It is only one egg. So one egg is fertilized with one sperm. It is already participated in fertilization. Due to this, the second sperm, third sperm does not involve in fertilization due to this cortical reaction. This cortical reaction, the cortical granules is deposited in what is this? Zona pellucida. The zona pellucida become hard. Due to this, in another area, the second sperm, third sperm, other sperms cannot enter. That is prevented. Polysperm is prevented. This is about the 3 steps. Now, acrosomal reaction, meiosis to cortical reaction. Almost these 3 occur simultaneously during fertilization. Right. With this, fertilization is now come to the implantation. Next.